Hello my amigos, today we are going to install this diesel air heater. So it's going to be a little bit easier for me because I already have one. It did the work for 5 years for me. I don't know how many years it worked before me, but finally it went to sleep, but it did good job. But look at the size of this monster. Boom. Compare, this is what, 5 kilowatt. Oh my goodness, this is so tiny compared to it, but it did a job. But this is Chinese one, all the way from Hong Kong, but people been using for a couple years, so that's good. And for this one, only the module cost 300 bucks. There was a corrosion inside this ECM, well, little computer, and I decided just to buy the whole thing. Under 200 bucks, you kidding me? So for me it will be nice and easy because I got already fuel line, good luck with that. And the exhaust pipe, intake pipe, everything I already got it. So first what we wanted to do, get rid of this guy. Okay, so this is old marks, but since this heater is a little bit longer and bigger, so we'll have to cut it somewhere about here. I will be using old plate. So it's just going to go over it. Through the filter and all the way to the tank. So this is intake pipe. Diameter is about right. Let's drill a hole. Get the fuel in the system, press down and then press OK. See, it's off, but let's turn it on, and in a couple seconds we will hear pump. Okay, now we can hear a pump. Okay, so that's good enough. Okay, off. So we have plenty of fuel in the system. Okay, so let's turn this puppy on. Alright, my friends, so we are all done